Hello world, it's Shania, and today I will be giving you a quick progress report on Stalker A Broken Fairy Tale, which is a dark fantasy game based on, well, inspired by Jack and the Beanstalk. Um, so our overall project goals will be to have a playable level called the Veilroot Deaths, and within the course timeline, which is 7.5 weeks. We also plan to have a strong visual and narrative identity for the project, having a foundation so that we can support future levels. So we'll have puzzles that can be used in future levels, things like that. Um, Having a workflow so everybody can work together efficiently, and having the practical experience of working together as a team on a video game. So far, we have completed the War Bible. So here you can see Jillian and Michael have been working on the lore. Michael has also worked on the puzzle. Um, the level completion and gray boxing, that is something that also completed, that I completed. Um, like I said, Michael completed the concepts for the puzzles, and James has finished some models. As you can, let me open this up. So you can see some of his models that he has been working on. And the current works in progress is the level. I'm still set designing it. You also need to finish the rest of the boss and enemies, actually implement the puzzles and the progression throughout the level, potentially updating cutscenes and voice acting, and just continuing to play test um, and put do whatever we need to do for the level for it to work. We're creating the level in Unreal Engine, as you can see. Initially, we planned on using GitHub for source control and project sharing, but due to issues with GitHub, we are now using the multi-user editor plugin, and we're torrenting the game to each other using uTorrent. What we really plan to do next is making sure that everybody knows how to use the multi-user editor and uTorrent, um, and making sure that the puzzles are implemented, the environmental set design is done, that the cutscenes, voice acting, and everything is implemented or updated, and conducting playtests and making sure that everything is good for the player experience. So, despite the limited time development that we have of 7.5 weeks, I think we're making pretty good progress on creating a playable level called the Veilroot Deaths. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Thank you, Shania. Now I'm going to show off kind of a little bit of gameplay. All right, so Jack can run around. I changed up the HP and mana, as you can see at the top left. We also have our coins down on the bottom left. You can pick up the coin, and I don't know why the effect is over here. I set it to actor for some reason, and it's not showing the coin amount, so a little bit more work to do. We also have James's asset in here. I need to code him now. I just got the asset today, so now it's coding him, following Jack, that kind of stuff. But I got all the blueprints done for that. But Jack can still move around and boing, right up here. So I know Shania has a lot to do with the level. She's doing a really, really good job, and also we're still working on this multi-user, making sure everything saves right, testing. It's been more of a pain to get something going for the team to be on the same page, but we're getting closer and closer every day. We keep testing it, keep doing what we need to do. Um, and I've been super busy this weekend, unfortunately. So, but everything's working great for now. And I agree with Shania that we're making really good progress on this. It looks good. We're going to need to work on adding some more stuff to some more assets and stuff to the ground to make it more realistic instead of this pattern. But we'll get there. So I've been adding lights and checking everything out that Shania's done. I'm going to add some puzzle blueprints this week for everyone to use so we can make the puzzles. And from there, I think see, I got these errors for the set gold amount. I did switch over. I'm going to a more advanced inventory system than last time, and the blueprints that I had for picking up gold is not working with these new blueprints. So it's just more time and effort to do stuff. So, all right, mahalo.